Hello, dearies. I'm so sorry for the long absence. I would like to explain why I have been away for this long in another video. But this is me showing up again in this video, and I truly appreciate your time and for sticking around all this while. Thank you so much, guys. So I just want to quickly show you how I make this tasty one pot jollof rice with chicken. This is the easiest rice recipe you would like to try out today. You will need to add some oil into a white pot. Once the oil is heated, add in your raw chicken pieces to the oil. You just want to sear the chicken on one side until it is golden browned for about 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can flip the chicken over and brown the opposite side as well. It is a one pot jollof rice and chicken, so you don't need to take the chicken out of the pot. So while it is still inside the pot, go ahead and season your chicken pieces with some garlic powder, chicken bouillon cubes, crushed scotch bonnet pepper, and some salt to taste. Mix that a little bit to combine nicely. Next, add in 2 cups of tomato puree and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You can also add in some ground crayfish and mix that again to combine beautifully. Cover and cook this for about 3 minutes. You will also want to go in with freshly chopped onions and then mix that to combine nicely. Cover and let the content cook for a couple of minutes. Next, you will want to go in with some chicken broth and also some plain water. This will help cook your rice properly. Just before the liquid comes to a boil, add in your parboiled rice and mix that nicely to incorporate well. You will also want to season the mixture with some curry powder, dry thyme, and give it a mix. Make sure to add more water as needed. You just want the water to slightly be above the rice. At this point, you will want to test and adjust any other seasoning and then bring the rice to a boil on medium heat. After like 20 minutes, the liquid is 80% dried. Add in your chopped veggies if you are using those. In my own case, I'm adding in some diced carrots and green beans. You can add any of your favorite veggies to this rice recipe. It will still work. Cover the rice again and bring to a gentle boil for about 10 minutes. At this point, both the rice and the chicken are well cooked. Give it a stir and make sure all the veggies are properly mixed. And you now have your tasty one pot jollof rice with chicken. This was so easy to make. I don't know if you have tried this one pot chicken and rice recipe before. Guys, make sure to give this a try. Everyone would love this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you and bye.